Hi guys, my name is Brittney Powers and this is my program completion timeline. Some of the dates in this presentation have already taken place. Others are what I hope to happen in the future. It all started for me in 2005 when I was inspired by my 5th grade teacher. I was so moved and impacted by her that I decided to become an educator after being in her class. In 2015, 10 years later, I finally started on that journey and I began my bachelor's degree program in elementary education. After graduating, I started my first teaching job at Wolf Springs Elementary School as a long-term substitute in 3rd grade. I stayed on at Wolf Springs and became their 1st grade teacher in their Chinese immersion program in August of 2020. At the end of 2020 in December, I began tutoring students on the side, helping them learn to read. 1 month later, in January of 2021, I started my journey to become a school leader as I began my master's degree program at Fort Hays University. Later on that year, in 2021, I became a math cadre and started doing some work with the Blue Valley School District and rethinking the way that teachers provide math instruction. In January 2022, I started my ePortfolio and Practicum program with Fort Hays University. Hopefully in May 2022, I will finish my ePortfolio and graduate from Fort Hays with my master's degree in educational leadership. In the next part of my presentation, I'll focus more on my goals. So in August of 2027, that's when I plan to begin applying for administration roles and positions. I plan to retire from working in elementary schools about 30 years after when I started as a teacher, so that would be in May 2051. Reading that date feels really weird because it seems so far off, but that is my general education goals timeline, and I thank you for watching.